What are you doing? No, don't throw your milk. You silly girl. She's silly. She's realizing she likes fry sauce. Here, let's Here, Elizabeth. No, you're full. Okay, she's full now, I think. No. Ew. Now you're getting all gross and dirty. Here, drink some milk. No, no milk either. Funny girl. Lizzie B, you so funny girl. Fun. You so silly girl. Getting so big eating chicken nuggets.